Welcome to the Heritage Park V2R Real-Time User Guide. Once you have downloaded the file, unzip the folder, find the executable inside and double-click to start. Select Design Mode, and once you see an aerial view of the site, you can start interacting. First up, using your mouse, click and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse across the screen to freely adjust the view angle. If you let go of your mouse, you can also point the mouse cursor to any location and right-click once to pan to that location. You can always click the Return to Site button at the bottom of the screen to return back to the site. To zoom in and out, you can use the slider on the right side of the screen, or alternatively, your mouse wheel. All available layers within this application are organized in the menu panel on the left. So if you click on regional tags, a number of tags appear. If you hover over them with your mouse, you can see the name of the asset. If you click on it, you will fly over there with the ability to look on the satellite image and also see the distance from the site. Once again, click Return to Site to get back to Heritage Park. Under Planning Overlays, we now have a number of overlays with their legends associated on the left. And finally, under the Site menu, you have the ability to turn on the Proposed Development. Now you may have to scroll down the left menu a little bit to see the additional layers for the proposed site. In this case, you have a button to show or hide all of the overlays together, or bring them on individually. For example, here the parks, creek line, standard houses, mixed-use development, and also a cafe eatery over here. With the additional detail displayed, you also have the ability to double-click any location to go down to the ground. And now, by once again clicking and holding your left mouse button, you can look around and use the W, A, S, D or arrow keys on your keyboard to walk. You also have the ability to launch a virtual drone. For that, simply navigate to Explore, where you will see the default aerial view, ground view, which we are currently in, and also drone mode. You can control the drone in much the same way as you do walking. However, you can press the space bar to go up and the control key to lower your altitude. This way you can explore the site from a more detailed aerial vantage point. Press and hold the Shift key to accelerate the flight of the drone to get around faster. On the ground, you can select the Measurement tab in the top menu, select Point to Point to measure a distance between one point, which you can find and then lock in with a single click of your mouse, find the second location and click once again to log it in. The measurement is then retained in the 3D space. You can click on the value to edit or delete it as required. Similarly, you can use the height measurement tool to measure the height of objects and delete that measurement, or an area of a selected shape. As well as a radius around a specific location. The Capture tool allows you to render out snapshots from any angle. So simply select your desired angle or perspective, click Snapshot in the menu, and then all of these snapshots will be retained in a brochure. At the bottom, you can use the annotation tools to mark up and add text annotations to each individual snapshot, and then generate a PDF or email these straight out with a branded brochure, provided you're connected to the internet. On the site, you will find a site outline which you can use at any point in time with or without the 3D site displayed. And under Media, you will find a number of video presentations, for example, drone footage, animations, and a number of stills. To exit the application, click the button in the top right corner of the screen.